welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 84 on events that occurred on November the 22nd. If you watched yesterday by any chance, the one that I did for day 83, I apologize that my video was a little offset, but I wasn't going to redo the video. But anyway, for day 84, it wasn't a great day, to be honest. It was one of the worst days that I've had because I woke up at 3 a.m. and I was pretty tired the whole day, and I hadn't slept well the night prior to that. Um, just in a variety of different ways. It was raining. It was raining that today, well, yesterday, because I'm making these days like one day ahead of time. But it was raining, and I did ACA sales as usual, um, but I didn't make very good headway with the ACA sales. It was just a poor day, and thankfully that's all being resolved right now because like a lot of the people calling in are customer service calls and people trying to get to the right department, and like one of the carriers that we have is like the Spirit Airlines of the health insurance world. It's I wouldn't say it's bad. And if you it's a whole nother splinter discussion. If you know about Spirit, my family, we've sworn many times to never fly Spirit ever again. But when it comes down to it, they're the cheapest deal. And when you're looking for no frills transportation to get somewhere, especially to like South America, you can't do you know you can't do worse than to do Spirit Airlines. I mean, you save a lot of money. It's just that they're going to charge you for every single thing. Well, when you are trying to save money on health insurance, right? It's nice to have like the short copays and the no deductibles, but what you really need, like if you're on a real budget and you can't afford anything and you're not getting much of a tax subsidy because of your income, having something is better than nothing, right? Having something, like even if it's like you're paying like $20 a month and you've got a $9,000 deductible, that's still better than not having any insurance at all, because you go to the hospital and you have some kind of surgery or something, it could cost $100,000. It could cost $1 million. It's crazy expensive, and the biggest reason for bankruptcy in America is because of medical debt. This is one of these reasons why I make these videos, because I just thought of that about the bankruptcy thing, and that's something that I need to tell the clients. And when they say, $40, I got to spend $40 to get a $9,000 deductible, and words just aren't like, I'm just trying to like get as many people enrolled as I possibly can, because I get paid by enrollments. I don't get a whole fantastic sum, and I don't get a commission. Well, I do get a commission. I don't get a percentage, what I was trying to say. But these people have these really weird expectations, and it's just like there's a lot of people that have no insurance, and they don't know what to do. Now, I'm 52 years old, and when I was 18 years old, I joined the Army. And one of the reasons why I stayed for 20 years, because there's plenty of times when I wanted to leave and just like do my 4 years or do the 8 years, but the enticement of having a pension and having health benefits was a carrot that always was dangling in front of me. It's like, well, if I leave now, I get nothing, right? If I leave at 8 or 12, I get nothing. And it's like, I'm already started down this path. Why don't I just finish it out? I wasn't a great soldier. I wasn't a bad soldier. But it's like, hey, I've come this far. Why not go the distance? Why not get those health benefits for the rest of my life? So the health benefits that I have, I earned as a result of the 20 years on active duty. 20 years on active duty. That's a veteran 5 times over. I signed like 5 contracts, five five times over a veteran. Anyway, I'm just saying that I earned my benefits. Um, Actually, the federal employee benefits that I get for being a federal employee are better than even the TRICARE benefits. But um, just that people have this mentality these days. Is like now it's like, okay, all you gotta do is just you get a tax subsidy. A lot of people don't pay anything for their health insurance, and then if you make a little bit of money, then you got to pay a little bit. But asking somebody to pay 50, 100, even like a couple $100, and people are like, they scoff at it. And like for my retired federal employees health benefits, I pay $400 a month for those benefits. You know, the government chips in like 3 times that amount, but I pay like $400 a month for those benefits. And even TRICARE is not free. The military, I have that also. I want to have both. I'd rather have too much insurance than not enough. But the TRICARE Prime is like $600 a year, And then there's deductibles and copays, and even with all the insurance that I have, it's like it's not. I'm not like getting off like it's not completely free. It's always I wind up paying something, you know, because you have to have some kind of. It's just crazy. Anyway, got off into a tangent with that. ACA wasn't so good on the 22nd on day 84. I did go out and get a haircut. I had to wait in line because this is Thanksgiving week, and a lot of people are trying to do the same thing, trying to get a haircut, look halfway decent for Thanksgiving. But I waited like like 90 minutes for a haircut. Um, the family convinced me to break down and get McDonald's, and so I was a little bit over on my daily weight count, my calorie count, which is rare. I mean, been very good with it, but I was a little bit over on my daily allowance. So actually today I've made up for that, for the time that I was a little bit off. And then of course the next day after today is Thanksgiving on the 24th, and I probably will be over a little bit tomorrow. But so it was a pretty bad day. I only did 1 minute on the treadmill. It's very rare, but I got on the treadmill. I did the minute because that's all the goal is. But I really just wasn't feeling up to it, and that's rare because most of the time I like to get on the treadmill and you know try to get near 45 minutes. That's what I like to do. I wouldn't say that that's the goal. The goal is to get on the treadmill every day, even if it's for a minute. And it's rare that I just say, okay, I'm just going to do the minute and jump off. Most of the time, I get on the treadmill. I want to keep on walking, but not on day 84 because I woke up so early and then just didn't have a great day. And it was cold. Florida was really cold out. It gets down into the 50s. It gets really cold, but it was cold. Had a headache. Woke up early. Wasn't great at the great day for calling. Was off on my diet, so it's just an off day. But things get better. So that was my day for day 84. So like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will talk to you tomorrow.